hasta parado te pegan. Like, as I told you, y'all can be driving all good, and the car just comes and fucking hits you.
More like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha shit. Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart. Man, nigga, I adore. I gave you everything, was mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you dying for.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little mukbang. As y'all can see, there's some long John Silver chicken right here, and I got some extra fries because I ordered broccoli. I ordered it from Dash. I have never ordered from there, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it because bitch, I'm hungry and I want some chicken. So I got some corn instead and some extra fries. I already have fries here, but whatever. So since they don't have like sauces that I like there, which they didn't even say what sauce I wanted, so I was like, I have some ketchup here, and I didn't know I had this, but I have some Taco Bell sauce, which I eat this with Taco Bell sauce. I started eating because I'm hungry. It's already 3, and I was just there like waiting for my food and shit. I really was thinking about like, is this like a good like delivery thing? Because I saw the reviews and they were like hella bad. Like they were like, don't do that. Sometimes the food comes broken and some shit. Not broken, but like bitten in. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, should I not? But you know what? I was like, fuck it. I'ma do it. It's kind of like awesome. I just checked the ratings. The ratings are not that bad, but the comments, they look bad. I don't know why. I'm watching 50 Feet of Green Girl. I was watching it, but it's lowered down because I don't want to get copyrighted. But that movie, girl, like, if you live with your parents, this corn is bomb though. If you live with your parents, like, lower that shit down when you watch it because action be happening in that. If you saw the first one, yeah, that's how bad it is. Some ketchup in there. Dulcecito and picojo. So yeah, I was really impressed with this app. Cause there's like a lot of food that I didn't like. I was like, ooh. I think they even bring you Starbucks. To your house, girl. Yeah. I'm like, I hate when it has like little like hierbos in there. I hate that. I don't know why I hate it. These pieces are small though. Whenever I go buy it at the store, they're huge. Bitch, I choose it. I got my drink here. Ooh, Mystic grape strawberry. I haven't tasted this one, but it looks bomb. There's like a red one I haven't tasted either. I don't taste like the pink one or the blue one. What? Why is this shit so hard? Kind of tastes like wine. I'm sorry I look ratchet. I was like, I'm hungry. I'm gonna do this mukbang. I could have made it todo así, but it is what it is. It's me. They have these bolitas. I think 2 bolitas came in here. I'm not sure. Yeah, 2 bolas. They're what's it called? Garlic balls. I love garlic. I love garlic. Like in bread. This tastes like garlic. It has a piece of garlic. That bomb. Eating just makes my stress go away. It really does. Do a story time.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down. Bust it, bust it.
I'll tell you the story whenever I wrecked. I didn't wreck, but somebody hit me while I was parado. Like, what? That is crazy. The parado te pegan. Okay, so let me tell you what happened. So I was going to work by this church. I got a lot of fries with talking. So yeah, there was a church there. Like all the cars parked, like all like that, and some like chueco, and there's no parkings there. You can just park whatever. There's like grass. They be parking like crazy. You have to be careful. So whenever we used to work there, I used to live close to there. Used to, not no more. So I would get there and I packed backwards, right? Because there was no cars there, so I could back up. Then I went to work and everything. Then we had to switch places because in the fields you switch, like you go to another place where there's like something else like to pick. I was just in my car. I think he gave lunch. I don't remember, but either one. So he gave lunch or something, I remember. But I was in my car already. I was first, but I wanted everybody to get out because I didn't want like somebody to hit me, because if I go out and somebody goes out too, you know. So I was just, they were just going out, everybody. So I was like, I'm gonna wait. Tell me why that was the biggest mistake I did. I should just left. So this lady, two ladies, I saw her that they were checking in the car outside. We were just like waiting. And she got in the car, she was like, oh, she was talking like, I'm gonna take out the car, because it was, I don't know, one of them, I don't know, I don't know if she was learning how to drive, I don't know what the fuck. But she was like, I'll check it out. Then I saw her car, like, my car was like this, her car was like that. Turning this way, like that, mine was turning out. So I just saw her car coming like she like bent the wheels this way, so the car was going that way when my car was right here. But I thought she was gonna stop. I for real stopped. I thought. This one is the fish one. Squares are fish and the other. So yeah, I legit thought she was gonna stop, but whenever I saw the fucking car, she went like that and like pisó duro, like she got that and was like, woo, like fast. I was like, but I thought I was like, she saw me. The car's right here, and it's not like a black car that you couldn't like be like, oh, I didn't see because of the color. Bitch, the car is like bright as orange. Like, how could I wouldn't even believe it. She said she didn't see it. So yeah, then she just came and my wheels were like turned like this. Whenever I parked, they were turned like this, my wheels. So wheels were sticking out a little bit, like the right side. So that helped me because her car was coming towards mine, and the wheel was sticking out. So her car hit the wheel, which that was in my defense, because it was like, if the wheel would have been in, probably she would have like fucking messed up my fucking car from the side. And whenever I saw her, I thought she was gonna stop on the side, and then it went like, pooh, when the car shook, and I was like, and I saw her in her car, she was like that was like, And then she was like, you should have honked. Why the fuck? I thought you knew how to drive. I thought you were gonna stop because you saw me. It was right there next to you. She probably thought I wasn't in there, but bitch, I was in there. Probably if I wasn't gonna be in there, they probably would have left. They would have just been like, hey, meet up on us. But fish ketchups. You just shake it and you just squeeze it like it's a little regular pizza thing. Tapatio on it. Oh gosh. If I would have cooked mine, it would have hit me. Yeah, you can make your own sauce. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. It's juicy and spicy. I was scared because I was like, oh my gosh, like I was scared, like, oh my gosh, she hit my car, like she probably messed it up bad, and I barely got it, you know. Oh my goodness, you know, it's like, oh my god. And her car was like a Jeep, like those like little Jeeps that, oh, Jeep or a Ram. The front of those cars is kind of like plastic. So when she hit my car, her thing fell. Like it fell off, like the bottom. It fell like completely, you know, like. She was trying to fix it with like a rope or something, and I just laughed. I was like, I'm leaving because I was like, I'm not, cause I got off and I saw you couldn't even see it, so I was like, whatever. And they didn't even say, oh my gosh, there's nothing like like call police. They didn't say nothing. They were worried about their fucking car, not mine. Probably she was worried just cause she was all scared. She didn't want to pay attention. She was probably like, oh, she could play something, but no. So I was just like, and then when we got to the other place, she went and told me, she's like, if something happened, you know, I'll give you my phone number, my insurance, and I don't know what. I was just like, I'll just, you know, I'll ask my husband because my husband was the one that he had to see how it looked. If it looked okay, then it was whatever. But if it was bad, if it was good, no. And he's like, you could hardly see it. Right there, you could hardly see it. But then, like, you know, I just like, it's whatever. Just that's because of there, you know, just you can't even see it. She's like, okay. I know that you're like probably a month. You can see a little bend now. Like before you couldn't see it, but now you can see it. Like you can see where it's kind of like a little bit bended, but not a lot, like poquito. And my husband's like, damn, you can see that she hit it. And I'm like, you said it was okay. My cat. Ay, está acostadito. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. It was like a really I really wasn't planning on doing a mukbang because I was like, but since I was gonna eat, I ordered, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a mukbang because who doesn't like mukbangs? You know, you see food and you get hella hungry. Every time I watch mukbangs, I get hella hungry. I can even taste the food. I'm like, oh my gosh. Now it's y'all's turn to want to eat this food. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, this was Goyita mukbang. So please comment down below, like, and please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.